Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best solar oven reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is GOSUN Solar Oven. This solar oven is designed with an impressively made glass tube placed at the center of the cooker, embraced by parabolic reflectors on top and bottom. It features a vacuum tube as a cooking pan that works as an insulator, converting up to 80% of the sun's rays to heat. The entire thing may look pretty small, it measures only, but this solar oven has the ability to steam, roast, or bake a meal. It can even boil liquids, something many solar cookers cannot do. In favorable weather conditions where you can get direct sunlight for up to 8 hours, the GOSUN Go Solar Cooker could reach temperatures as high as 550 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're buying this for disaster preparedness or for camping with a family or group of friends, this won't fit the bill because of its size. Number 2. Our second best pick is Haines 2.0 Solar Oven. This solar oven has everything you need to start solar cooking. Like the much-loved original Haines, the 2.0 has been used for educational classes in schools and far-flung villages, but also as an addition to residential cooking. This solar oven kit includes a circular widescreen, thermometer, cooking sleeve, and a 4-quart pot, which is super useful for beginners who do not own any cookware, ideal for solar cooking yet. And like any other solar ovens, just leave food in the pot and you won't have to worry about burnt food. Unlike other solar ovens with reflectors that just go around like a box, this oven is designed with pedal-like reflectors that can be adjusted to follow the sun and heat up all sides of your pot quicker than the older models. The cool thing about this solar oven is that it can even accommodate households that experience intense winters with just some insulation hacks in place. It's very portable, easy to assemble/disassemble, and operate. Number 3. Our third best pick is GOSUN Sport Solar Oven. Many people who first took a look at this solar cooker were skeptical, mainly because the design doesn't look anything like other solar ovens in the market. But once you try any of GOSUN's solar cookers, you'll realize that the company has developed something special. The biggest feature of it is its ability to cook food so quickly, even on cloudy days. This is made possible because of its award-winning design. It consists of parabolic reflectors outside the tube that helps bring up the temperature onto the cooker, and the glass vacuum tube that converts up to 80% of the sun's rays to usable heat. In summer and humid locations, this solar cooker can easily fry bacon and eggs in just several minutes. In fact, users of the Sport were so used to the slow-paced cooking of solar ovens that they've burnt some of their first recipes done on this cooker. Aside from the durable, borosilicate evacuated glass tube cooking chamber and the industrial-grade anodized aluminum parabolic reflectors, this cooker also comes with a stainless steel cooking tray, scrubbing/cleaning tool, cookbook, and user's manual. The major downside of this one is its limited cooking space because of its tube-like shape. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sunflair Mini Portable Solar Oven. This mini portable solar oven does live up to its name. It weighs just 1 pound and 12 ounces, then folds down to the size of a 3-ring binder. This was designed specifically for campers, hikers, fishing hobbyists, RVers, and other people who love the outdoors. This solar oven comes ready with a solar oven thermometer, a trivet, a carry bag, and a black, collapsible silicone pot, which can accommodate up to 3.5 cups of liquid. This setup can easily cook beans, rice, eggs, and other basic fry foods like bacon, eggs, and hot dogs. Built with advanced closed-cell insulation, this solar oven can heat up from 180 to 300 degrees F, depending on the season, time of day, and location. And because you're using the power of the sun, instead of other alternative heat sources, you can cook even in areas where open flames are not allowed. Some users even swear of trying to cook food inside their cars during traffic. How crazy is that? Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Sunflair Portable Solar Oven. At first look, this solar oven looks super small than other solar ovens, but it actually has the perfect size for cooking meals. Included in this set is a 2-layer rack, a collapsible silicone pot, solar oven thermometer, a very useful carry bag and a cookbook to explore everything this solar oven can do. This solar oven weighs only 1 pound and 2 ounces. You can hand carry it as part of your hiking gear, or use it for tailgating, boating, camping and other outdoor activities. It could serve as an emergency oven for home use, or even exclusively for drying fruits and crafts like candle making or baking sculpted clay. The included silicone pot is microwavable and dishwasher safe. These Sunflair pots can collapse to 2 centimeters. Note that the solar oven can accommodate any other pots, as long as they fit the cooking space. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.